everyone, myself Prachi Mittal, Tedesco skin trainer from Kristen Valmy Academy of Beauty. So today I'm going to talk about galvanic machine. What is galvanic machine? What are the benefits of galvanic machine? How many different types of treatment you can do with the aid of galvanic machine? What are the contraindications? What are the precautions you need to take? And what are the benefits it gives to your skin? So let's just get started. Now, what is galvanic machine? Galvanic current is a constant and ever-flowing current which only flows in one direction. It requires direct current to perform. It has two electrodes which are positive and negative. There it shows some chemical changes in your skin when it comes in contact with the bodily fluids. Now, galvanic machine क्या है? Galvanic machine is a ever flowing current which only flows in one direction. So इसके लिए normally, now I'll just give you an example. Normally हमारे जो switches होते हैं उसमें alternating current होता है, बट गैल्वेनिक मशीन जो है उसको डायरेक्ट करंट चाहिए रहता है. अल्टरनेटिंग करंट इज समथिंग जो नेगेटिव टू पॉजिटिव, पॉजिटिव टू नेगेटिव ऐसे कॉन्स्टेंटली फ्लो होता रहता है, बीच में इंटरप्ट नहीं होता है, ब्रेक नहीं होता है. बट व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट गैल्वेनिक मशीन सिर्फ एक दिशा में फ्लो होती है. सो या तो वो नेगेटिव से पॉजिटिव जा सकती है या वो पॉजिटिव से वापस नेगेटिव आ सकती है, जिसके लिए आपकी जो मशीन्स होती हैं उनमें डिफरेंट अटैचमेंट्स होते हैं, जैसे कि आपका रेक्टिफायर, ट्रांसफार्मर, कैपेसिटर, जो आपके करंट को चेंज करता है. नॉर्मली जो दूसरी मशीन्स होती हैं उन सब में आपका अल्टरनेटिंग करंट ही यूज़ होता है, बट गैल्वेनिक मशीन में आपका डायरेक्ट करंट यूज़ होता है. सो रेक्टिफायर, ट्रांसफार्मर्स हेल्प टू कन्वर्ट द करंट फ्रॉम अल्टरनेटिंग करंट टू डायरेक्ट करंट. नाउ, chemical effect is also produced when you use a galvanic current when it passes through the tissues and bodily fluids. So there are two reactions which happen: acidic reaction and alkaline reaction, because you try to disturb the pH of the skin. Then what are the things which are there in galvanic? Now there are two electrodes in galvanic, one is positive and one is negative. So basically you decide which is the positive and which is the negative. One is the roller electrode and one is the rod electrode. So roller always comes on the face so that you can move it, and rod electrode is for the client to hold it. As there are two polarities, so they need to be in touch, they need to be in contact with the same person when you are doing this ट्रीटमेंट. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर मैं कोई ट्रीटमेंट कर रही हूँ गैल्वेनिक से, तो मुझे कुछ प्रोडक्ट पेनिट्रेट करना है, तो मैं क्लाइंट के चेहरे पे पॉजिटिव लूँगी और क्लाइंट के हाथ में उनको नेगेटिव इलेक्ट्रोड पकड़ाऊँगी, क्योंकि अगर पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव साथ में रहेगा तो ही करंट फ्लो होगा, वरना करंट फ्लो ही नहीं होगा, क्योंकि करंट ब्रेक हो जाएगा कि दोनों पोलैरिटीज इन कॉन्टैक्ट नहीं है. वन मोर थिंग, कभी भी आप गैल्वेनिक मशीन कर रहे हैं, आपको हमेशा ध्यान रखना है कि आप रोलर क्लाइंट के ऊपर कर रहे हो और इलेक्ट्रोड खुद पकड़ रहे हो, तो क्लाइंट को कोई बेनिफिट नहीं मिलने वाला है, क्योंकि सर्किट ही कंप्लीट नहीं हो रहा है. सो ऑलवेज मेक श्योर जब आप कर रहे हो आपका रोलर चल रहा है क्लाइंट के चेहरे पे, और रॉड इलेक्ट्रोड क्लाइंट के हाथ में, आप क्लाइंट के बैक पे भी रख सकते हैं. देयर आर नो इश्यूज. यू जस्ट नीड टू रैप इट विद अ थिन लेयर ऑफ वेट कॉटन सो दैट करंट बॉडी में पास हो. Clear, guys? Now, what are the two different kinds of treatments which we can do with the aid of galvanic machine? First is disincrustation and second is ionization. Now, what is disincrustation? Disincrustation is also called as anaphoresis. We use negative on client's face, positive in client's hand. Chemical action which we see is alkaline. Sodium hydroxide is been produced when you use galvanic negative on your face and positive in client's hand. Cathode is negative electrode and anode is positive electrode. Active electrode here is your negative electrode, which is cathode, and which helps to push negative ions into the skin, and positive is your resting electrode wherein it just tries to complete your circuit. Now, anaphoresis is forcing ions into the skin. So we are trying to put negative ions into the skin so that all the dust, dirt, everything comes out. This can be used on all skin types like oily skin, combination skin, comedone skin, post acne skins, not really on excessive dry skin. And You can products, what you will use is water soluble products, disincrustation gels, disincrustation lotions, or you can even use Lotion X from Kristen Valmy Academy of Beauty. It is a super product, guys. It really works, it works like wonders. It's awesome product. So what you have to do is you just have to place the product, whichever product you are using. Start the galvanic machine on the jawline. So whenever you start, always start from 0 milliamps and always roll the electrode. Never stop the electrode on one, like on a stationary position. Reason behind, आप अपने tissues को burn कर सकते हो क्योंकि उसमें इतना current flow हो रहा है. So always keep rolling it and always roll it in upward direction, never downward direction. So you always roll it in upward direction. So when you go up, you go very slowly. When you come down a bit faster, because you try to lift the skin as well when you're working with the galvanic machine. Now what is the now disincrustation mein you actually try to remove the blackheads and the impurities out of skin. So when you force negative ions into the skin, all the comedons, your dust, dirt, pollution which has been trapped in the follicle tries to pop up because you force negative ions into your skin. Now what is the method for it? You do cleansing, you do toning, uske baad you apply. You can do exfoliation. After that you can just take a layer of if you're using a Lotion X, you can put Lotion X or any disincrustation gel. Start on the jawline, galvanic negative on the face, and positive in client's hand. And so if you think only comedons are on the nose, I need to work on nose, so I'll just put disincrustation gel on the nose. Then slowly I'll start my electrode. Guys, you have to make sure you don't go beyond 4 milliamps because we are allowed to work until 4 milliamps only. So the current is really strong. Always make sure client will feel metallic taste in the mouth when you're doing negative. Make sure the client doesn't have any metal implants or metal implants in your face, dentures, any recent surgeries, cut, abrasions. On those clients you cannot actually perform. If there is a lot of acne on the client's skin, you cannot perform, as it is gonna be a contraindication because it will try to resolve acne. So make sure you don't do on such clients. Then once you are apply the lotion, you start 0 to 4 milliamps. You can go up till 4 milliamps. You do it for 3 to 5 minutes. Then you just switch it off, and after that you can proceed with the further disincrustation procedure, and then you can just start with your next steps, which is your massage, mask, day protection and SPF. Now this was about disincrustation. So in commonly afterwards I'll talk about the benefits and contraindication and everything. So benefits I'll tell one by one. So benefits is for disincrustation you get a clean and clear skin. Your skin tries to throw out all the impurities. You don't have to really there's no lot of stress which has been there. Chemical action is alkaline, which produces sodium hydroxide. It also has an action which is known as saponification, where it actually soapifies all your dust, dirt and everything to throw them upwards, and that's all. So this is about disincrustation. Now what is ionization? Ionization is also known as ionization, photophoresis, and they all mean the same thing. That is the process of introducing water soluble products into the skin with the use of electrical current. Now in disincrustation we were using negative on client's face and positive on client's hand. Now here we gonna use positive on client's face and negative on client's hand. Cataphoresis is the use of positive pole, that is anode, introduces an acid pH such as an astringent solution to the skin. You always use water soluble products. Reason behind using water soluble products and not oil based products, because oil will always block your electricity to pass. so it will not allow your electricity to pass, it will block the current. And wherein water soluble products will always try to flow your current, that is the reason you always use water soluble products. Now ionization में एनोड इज द एक्टिव इलेक्ट्रोड, यानी कि पॉजिटिव ऑन क्लाइंट्स फेस, नेगेटिव ऑन क्लाइंट्स hand. Then you apply a layer of, so once you're done with disincrustation and everything, once your skin is clear, you can apply water soluble product, like you can use any seaweed lotions, hydrating lotions, hydrating mask to force them into the skin so that they penetrate or get absorbed very easily. On which skin types you should use is moisturized skin, dry skin, dehydrated skin, sensitive skin. Guys, acne skin is a contraindication. Please never use it on acne skin. Products used will be water soluble products, ampules, gels, your serums, etc. Active electrode is your anode, which is your positive, and cathode is a supporting agent wherein the client has to hold it. Then duration would be 6 to 8 minutes. Intensity would be your 2 to 3 milliamps. Penetration into the skin, this allows penetration into the skin with when you force the product, when you apply a product, it tries to penetrate the skin. Now there might be a question, like I am talking about disincrustation, I'm talking about ionization, how will you actually change the current, right? There should be something in the machine also to change the current. Yes, there is a polarity changer, a button in the machine which changes your current from positive to negative or negative to positive. That is how you decide ki what current are you gonna do on the client's face. So this was about disincrustation and ionization. I hope you all understood what is disincrustation and what is ionization. Now I'm just gonna talk in general what are the contraindications, what are the benefits, and what are the precautions you need to take care of. Now what are the contraindication? Any client with nervous or muscular disorder cannot be, like you cannot do galvanic on them, like facial paralysis or lack of skin sensitivity. Diabetic clients, because they don't have sensation, like they have like lot of sensation issues. Any dental anesthesia, who they like recently had any dental surgeries or any dentures or metal implants, excessively metal fillings in the teeth or in the body, because when you actually work with galvanic machine, आपके water molecules के साथ वो current flow होता है. So जब water molecules बहुत ज़्यादा, जब करंट फ्लो होता है तो वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स आर कॉन्स्टेंटली वर्किंग. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट मेटल इज अ वेरी गुड कंडक्टर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. सो यू माइट start getting pain, or you might feel a lot of current over there, lot of electricity being forced on that process. So that's the reason you never do on metal fillings. Always make sure when you are doing like you never do it on skin disease disorders like acne, sunburn skin, like hypersensitive skin, rosacea skin, acne skin, then any recent surgery, cuts or abrasions on the skin. Hyper clients, hypersensitive clients, like they get very nervous at times, they don't know what to do. So you need to try and avoid those clients because they are actually a contraindication. Now what are the benefits and effects? Externally, its chemical action is acidic. Hydrochloric acid is produced in which tightens and forms the and hydrates the skin, which happens in ionization. Externally, in disincrustation, the benefit is आपके स्किन में सोडियम क्लोराइड प्रोड्यूस होता है, which forces alkaline product into your skin to saponify all the dirt impurities which are trapped in the follicles. Internal benefits, it improves. Now internal is for ionization, it improves blood circulation, improves lymph circulation, improves metabolic activity. Skin texture and tone is improved. It especially benefits sensitive skin because the fluids are pushed back into the capillary, thus reducing inflammation. Now this is for ionization. And for disincrustation, it actually tries to purify all the lymph. It tries to throw out the lymph. It tries to it tries to improve the texture of the skin. It tries to smoothen out the skin because it helps to throw out all the dirt which has been trapped in the follicles. Now what are the precautions you need to take care? Always read manufacturer's instructions when you are using a machine. Always check the working of the machine before doing it on a client. Always check if the current is flowing in the machine, all the electrodes are there in the machine, is there any issue, milliamps, everything. Just check it and then only start with your facial. Always check if the electrodes, the wires are connected nicely. The current intensity should not be more than 2 to 3 milliamps or max 4 milliamps. Always start from 0 milliamp and then slowly increase it till 2-3 milliamps, till how much ever you want. Duration of the treatment should not exceed, like this incrustation should be not more than 5 to 7 minutes, and ionization should not be more than 7 to 10 minutes. There should always be product on the face. You cannot just randomly do it only on the dry skin. There should always be product on the face. Do not keep the rollers stationed at one place because it might give you thermal burns. It might burn your inner layers of the skin. Always lower the intensity and then only switch off the machine and pick up the electrode. If you pick up directly, the client will feel a shock because करंट फ्लो हो रहा था एंड सडनली करंट निकल गया है. सो क्लाइंट को शॉक फील होगा. सो ऑलवेज जैसे आपने धीरे धीरे स्टार्ट किया वैसे ही आप उसको धीरे धीरे बंद करके और फिर आप मशीन अपना पूरा बंद करके आप अपना फर्दर प्रोसीजर स्टार्ट करते हैं. So this was about galvanic machine. I hope it was very informative for you all. So please do make use of it. Thank you.